Welcome back. Panaji jetty construction, parking plaza and Baga parking lot and other two major projects have been stopped due to non-payment of 7 to 8 crores to the contractor. Parking lot next to Santa Monica, though delayed, will get through and may see an inauguration by May. GTDC Chairman Nilesh Cabral confirmed this to Prudent. Erstwhile government messed up central grants worth 39 crores by not submitting utilization certificate. Cabral said GTDC has prepared a DPR of 200 crores.
Parking plaza, though delayed, is almost ready. The jetty construction has been stopped by the contractor as his dues worth almost 8 crores are yet to be settled. Cabral said altogether 3 to 4 major projects will resume only after the payment is done.
तो project the parking lot आम्ही jetty चे बांधता तो total parking for 400 cars आशिल्लो आणि ते काम आता फायनल स्टेजीचेर आसा मातशें स्लो जाल्लें आसा पण ऑलमोस्ट फायनल स्टेजीचेर आसा म्हाका दिसता येता ते 2 म्हयने कंप्लीट जावन मे म्हयन्यान बी इनॉग्रेशन करूंक आमकां मेळटलें सबसिक्वेंटली ते जेटी काम आशिल्लें जेटी ऑलमोस्ट 95% कंप्लीट जाल्लें आसा पण आता 2-3 म्हयने जाले काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान बंद दवरलें.
Cabral slammed erstwhile government for non-utilization of central grant of 39 crores.
39 crores त्यांनी आजचे आख्खे काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट असताना 3 वर्सां म्हणजे आमचे सरकार 2012 येयल्लो ते ग्रांट येयले 2010 येयल्ले ऑलमोस्ट एंड ऑफ 9 3-2.5 वर्सां तेणी 1 रुपयाचें काम करूना पण 1 रुपया तेणी पयशे दवरुना ते टोटल पयशे ते सरकारान सेंट्रल किटी गेल्ल्या कारणान ते सेंट्रल किटींतल्यान सगळे स्पेंड झाले.
Cabral said that department officials will leave for Delhi with a DPR of 200 crores for completion of pending major projects. State government is expecting an immediate relief of 8 crores.
तो आता स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे आम्ही फॉलोअप करता की ते 8 कोटी आमकां दिवचे प्लस आनी थोडे पयशे दिवचे जे एक्झिस्टिंग कामां आमी हातीन घेतल्या ती कंप्लीट करपाक ती आमी जर कंप्लीट केली जाल्यार फुडें आमकां ऑलमोस्ट 150 to 200 crores सेंट्रल ग्रांट येतले.
Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Goa State Election Commission has contended that Goa government should make necessary amendments in the Panchayat Raj Act, empowering the commission to take decision on reservations on Panchayat level and delimitation of Panchayat constituencies. GSEC has filed affidavits in 2 matters related with ZP election before the High Court on Wednesday. Petitioners have challenged ordinance for conducting Zilla Panchayat election.
Goa State Election Commission has pleaded to the High Court to direct the Goa government to make necessary amendments in the Panchayat Raj Act to give powers to the State Election Commission on reservation and delimitation. GSEC has also contended that government issued ordinance on short notice without giving stakeholders time to raise their contentions. Goa State Election Commission in its affidavit filed before the High Court has also contended that many other state election commissions like Maharashtra and Karnataka have powers to reserve the seats for SC and ST. The High Court has directed state government to file their reply by next date of hearing, that is 16th March. Meanwhile, candidates from Pedne, Mapsa Kolwa filed nominations on Wednesday. Most of the candidates were accompanied by their respective MLAs.
ज्या मनशाच्या नेतृत्वा सकल गोव्यात सरकार आसा ताचे हात घट करप ही जबाबदारी पेडणेकारांची येता आणि पेडणेकारांक आज हांव विनंती करता की आमचे 4 उमेदवार तुम्ही स्पष्ट बहुमतान निवडून दिवचे.
यशोदा तेमकर ही कॅन्डिडेट आमच्या मोर्जे गांवांत हिका सिलेक्ट करून पाठिंबो दिल्लो आनी चड करून महिला मंडळान दिल्लो आसा. तर हांव एक काँग्रेस पार्टीचो पदाधिकारी आनी म्हाजे कडेन खुबशीं संघटना आसा. आमच्या काँग्रेस पार्टीन कॅन्डिडेट धरून म्हणजे आमी धरूंक ना तशें पूण पाठिंबो केला तसो म्हाजो पाठिंबो ह्या कॅन्डिडेटाक फूल आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Outgoing Chief Secretary Keval Sharma sees Goa as a matured state with lot of political leadership at various levels. Sharma denied any political pressure during his tenure of 2 months in the state. He says it's good to take political advice but work towards the betterment of public at large. He feels tourism sector is taking a lot of efforts to revive tourism in the state.
The Sarpanch approval, the CRZ approval, then the Pollution Control Board approval. When so many approvals have to be taken, it only means that everybody who can contribute towards making this project participates. That gives a challenge also of some delays occurring. I personally feel that people do bring value to the table. I have never felt that the political pressure sort of obstructs civil servants to work. In fact, we as civil servants have to listen to different shades of opinion and see what the political advice is coming, and then participate for decision making which generates the maximum public value. Government sector as well as non-government sector sincerely pursuing their respective mandates and trying for the welfare of the society. Tourism department is making a lot of efforts to make sure that there was little less tourist footfall during the last season. But within the department, within the tourism corporation, they are really working towards reviving certain areas. There's this new project sanction at the Mayam Lake to make that area more attractive. They have other projects also envisaged at different locations. So in a few meetings we cleared those projects. Goa is quite mature, and there's a large amount of political leadership here, in the sense that there is leadership at Jila Panchayat level, there is leadership at the Panchayat level, there is leadership at the municipal level.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.